viewers, welcome to LMS Solution. Today we are going to see about how to draw the flowchart by using ChatGPT for research paper writing. So whenever you going for a research paper writing, right? So some of the portion you need to include flowchart, right? So that flowchart is a complicated thing to create that one. So that can be easily created by means of ChatGPT. So today in this video, we are going to explain how to create flowchart by using ChatGPT for research paper writing. So for that, go to ChatGPT and then just you go to type. I'm going to write some flowchart details. That means I'm going to generate the flowchart for a P&O MPPT. Okay. So here I'm going to provide the question. And then I'm going to enter this one. Then the ChatGPT will be think on that question, and then it going to provide some answer for that. Okay, so here you can see that. So it will provide some detail. That means providing that LaTeX code, right, for flowchart for P&O MPPT. So it creating that detail, right. So here you can see that writing the code for that flowchart. So here we need to check that, right. After creating code from ChatGPT, so we need to use another platform, nothing but to Overleaf, right. So Overleaf is the website for online LaTeX editor. Okay, so here you can edit that LaTeX format. Okay, so here you go to create new project and click blank project, and then here I'm going to type MPPT. Okay, and I'm going to create the project. So it will be create new project. Okay, so then here we need to, so this writing area, right, LaTeX writing area. So here we need to paste that code, right. So here we can check that one, that still that ChatGPT is writing the code. So once that completion of code, right, so code is created now, right. So here I'm going to copy this code and then comes to Overleaf, and then here I'm going to paste that code, and then here I'm going to recompile. Okay, so here is recompiling that code, and then here I'm going to open the document. So here you can see that. So it will create the flowchart for whatever we are asking, right. So just to check that code, right. Read input voltage and current, measure PU voltage, set initial duty cycle, and then while loop. Okay, and then here calculate power and increment the duty cycle, check for the voltage maximum true. So it will be create some code, right. That means code, and then it will create a flowchart for that particular concept we are asked from the ChatGPT. So you can that means you can provide the prompt, right, exactly. So then we will get the detail exactly, because so here I am written the simple question only. So based upon the simple question, so it provide the detail, that flowchart, right. So but if you want more accurate result from ChatGPT, then you go to provide that question, right, prompt exactly. Okay, you will provide the prompt very detailed in the ChatGPT, then it will provide the accurate result for your research paper writing. So thanks for watching our videos. Kindly subscribe our channel and click bell icon for notification about upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.